It's on. We'll post this. Oh
Can
my
you see it?
goodness, yeah. This is like being part of the boat parade, but on land. How about that? We needed, oh man, I could have worn a flag.
Oh,
That lady got a bad finger. She's driving. Her finger was wrapped up. Oh man.
Pay attention. I don't want to hit nobody.
Yeah, you pay attention. Oh, where are they going?
I'd say
wonder.
they're probably may do the whole 41. Look at all the flags. Yes! Trump 2020.
That's right. Whether you like it or not, 4 more years. Biden can't even fill up an auditorium of people, and Trump has thousands. They broke a record.
And the cops are all sitting up and down the road. Look, we've already passed about 5 or 6 cops.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Oh,
How awesome is that? Listen, you holding up traffic, little guy.
I hope that the lights. I know that when it starts. Oh, you should have seen the very beginning. I mean, they are all died down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I mean, banners and flags.
This is it. I wonder where they go to. Watch yourself.
Come on over. Come on over, Betty. Bring it.
Mm-hmm. Wow. How did we not know about this and get our little flags up?
I don't know. We just weren't on top of it.
All right, so is this the beginning? You might want
No,
to
honey,
stay
this
behind
is-
here. Yeah,
this-
but we don't know who's in front. Like, where is it going?
We'll find out.
He's leading the parade here.
He is the tail end of the parade.
Wow, that's true. Because if you came to my house and
Oh my gosh. Look.
Uh-oh. Traffic. Oh, man. Well, this is the first. I don't think I've ever been this far backed up on the bridge. I've been backed up once you get to the top.
Mm-hmm. Stevie. Oh, that's
Stevie
is
is,
that the representative?
That's the guy that triggers everybody. The local, I think he's running for senator.
Oh, now they got 2 lanes going. Oh my. We're in the TrumpTrain. Do we want to pass them and then get in some Mercedes?
Only if you want to. Catch up to the beginning.
I say they're turning somewhere.
Wow, look at this guy. Yeah. Good for you, pal. Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna get back in the TrumpTrain.
Go behind him. Oh, you can't. Okay, that's all right. Man, I would have. Don't even.
Oh, he's gonna let me, but I think I'm gonna try to go on that. I want you to be able to see
Dean Kowski.
if. Oh, look.
Oh man, they prepared, huh? Uh-oh, they put Trump on the flag. That's a no-no.
I don't like that.
No,
Oh, you can't do that.
not supposed to do that. I didn't like it when Obama did it. So, oh, this is just.
Keep America.
Woo! Yeah, young people! Woohoo!
Oh, here's my car.
Oh, you like that one?
Here's my car.
I picked it.
One of these days I'm gonna get it.
That's next one.
That's my next one.
4 more years. Woo! This is like a happy thing, man. Even see the girl running just was giving it. She's got the whole bridge all the way up to keep her occupied. Take your mind off of that uphill run. I give people a lot of credit. Oh, this guy's by himself. Good for you, buddy. Man, where'd they get these flags?
Oh my God, did you see that one?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It was a big tank.
Oh,
Like
I
an
thought it was
armored
like
tank.
Trump's face. Oh, is it like an army one? Probably, huh? Oh, dang. This is just crazy. I can't believe that this is ever since you were going to go out, came back, picked me up. I got
Yes, and
changed.
I went all the way down
dressed.
to Charlotte Boulevard.
Wow, look at they're turning. They're turning, so we're going to have to get to the left.
Oh, I want in. I want in.
Get in. Just get in the left lane. Somebody will let you in. Somebody just got out. You got it,
She's
girl.
with me.
We're joining the TrumpTrain. That's hilarious. The little,
Oh, we made it.
the little boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're going to Lashley. That's probably what they're doing. Oh, I should have brought my handicap thing. Not that there'd be any.
We're not handicapped today.
We could have given it. Well, not that there'll be any spots, but.
I know we'd probably just be able to circle because it was so many. Oh, we're gonna have to get up. I don't have anything to break. Nothing.
I have flag in my car. I have a brand new one too. Like, you know, that you put in the door.
I had a sticker.
Problem is, you put stickers on your car, and stupid people want to vandalize your stuff when you're not looking.
Ignorant people, stupid people.
That's why I hate to take that chance.
Mm-hmm.
What happened over here? Maybe a car accident. Oh, that just uprooted a trees going down.
Isn't it? Is there any?
Yeah, somebody actually is trying to go across, which just did. It looked like they want to make a
I
left.
guess they're accommodating everyone else. Well, it's going straight.
Yeah, it is going straight, isn't it? I don't think it's making a left. Let's see.
But anyways,
Can
in
you
the
see
truck
any?
train.
Yeah, that's right. Can you see up to the light up there?
Mm-mm.
If people are getting ready to turn, maybe you could see around it.
No.
Can't
They're
see if
straight.
they're turning. 7 minutes of recording the TrumpTrain. Okay.